Stream overlays are a great way to make your streaming channel stand out from the crowd by improving the look and feel of it. So, how to make a stream overlay for your channel? By the end of this video you will know how to create a custom stream overlay and install it in OBS Studio. You can set up stream overlays in any other streaming software using similar methods.
Open up mockofun, and in the Templates panel, search for the word Stream. Click on the free Stream Overlay template to open it up. In the description below, you will find a direct link to this template. This template is fully configurable, so you can change the colors for the overlay border, the live stream facecam border, and move or delete elements, just like I'm showing here. On the top, you have a placeholder for your name. If you haven't decided yet on a name for your streaming channel, try nickname-generator.net and pick one of the gamer name generators. Click on the Generate button a couple of times until you find a cool gamer tag. Click on the generated gamer tag to copy it and jump back into the Stream Overlay template. Double-click on the name placeholders and paste the generated gamer tag. For our streaming software, we need the overlay as a PNG image with a transparent background. So, we go to Background Settings and set the opacity to 0. Then, save the streaming overlay image as a PNG. Now, I'm going to show you how to add your newly created overlay to your streaming software. I'm using OBS Studio for this video, but this process will pretty much work for any other streaming software, including Streamlabs OBS and XSPLIT. First, you'll want to open up your broadcasting app and navigate to your sources. Select the plus icon over here and look for image and select that. Now, OBS typically asks you to name your sources, and so for this one I'm going to name it Overlay, and I'm going to select OK. And now I can browse to look for the PNG I downloaded, which is right over here, and I'm going to select Open, and then OK, and now as you can see, my overlay is on my canvas. If your overlay isn't filling up the entire canvas, you can use the corners, like so, to drag and resize it till it fits the entire canvas. You'll want it to fit the entire canvas because these overlays are going to be full resolution. Now we have our overlay here, so what we want to do next is add our face to our broadcast. So we're once again going to go to the plus icon, select that, and we want to look for video capture device. This is where our cameras and other video capturing devices are located. So we'll select that. Once again, give it a name. So we're going to call this Cam and select OK. And now you're going to be able to select your device. In my case, it's the Live Gamer Duo 2. I don't have it active right now. I'm not going to do a face reveal. So we're going to select OK, keep all the other options as is. And we'll need to resize this as well in the same way as we did with the overlay. So we need to make this as small as the border of our face cam frame over here. So I'm giving it roughly the same size. It doesn't need to be exact. And now we want it to hide behind the frame. So we're going to go to Sources and drag the camera layer beneath the overlay layer. Now, as you can see, our camera is now hiding behind the borders over here. And now we can do the same thing for our game. There are two ways that we can add a game, and it depends on how you are capturing your game. If you are a console gamer or you use a second PC for your game, you can select Video Capture Device. Or if you are a single PC gamer, you can select Game Capture and you'll be able to select your game from a list. For this video, I'm going to select video capture. I'm going to call this gameplay, and I'm going to select OK. In my case, my video capture device is Live Gamer Duo 1. I'm going to select that. I don't have a game running right now. I'm just demonstrating. I'm going to click OK. And now we want our gameplay to hide behind both our camera and our overlay. So we're going to take the gameplay layer and drag it right beneath both the overlay and the camera. Now, as you can see, our overlay and our camera and our game are all layered correctly. So now we're ready to go live. Let's see what the end result will look like. So as you can see, our camera and game screen are all layered correctly with our overlay on top. I hope you found this useful and wish you happy streaming.